see a champion.
You're watching, but joining on Facebook.
Chia Emprino. Oh, see a champion. The Biamo to Tunio Major Jim. Nanyam Bema Udo Bema me man Kwan Wetimabo Mabaso.
Medumu Mike no.
No problem.
Obe sorry ako.
Yeah, say what do
you adwuma no. Adwuma na ye tia wo no Kwabena. E be ye adwuma. Please. We na ma bebre sometimes betra hanoma asa ehunahuna enu na say obontene I'm leaving as a cell phone. Opa, we ya be ma asore ko.
Me oba me pe me wasem. Me oba
so ya be ma pa sabi wo tie bia. Sore ko
na makọ nhyiamu. Am yet me busa me ma be aduasa na ti nhyiamu na se. Ye busa o mo say Mema aduasa mo te ho na nso yere o ma ne saso. Wa o ma on saso kwa so yere ne kaze ma on saso. Please. Mema 30 year conference ase. Yes wa unso yere no ma on saso. O ma on saso na moderator ne busa say, "Hey, unso yere o me yere ne kaze ma me saso." O ba kama sem. Ti na o hia afia man kwa wo bo na baso no. Me no na ekoba, o ba kama masem. What you catch as what you catch as a pada in your 3-4 years? What you catch as a pada? Now she said the what you catch one of that? What you catch one of that? What you catch me that? Me what you catch me that? What you catch me that? If you didn't so me kwaka, I will say me do atem. Me catch as a share the phone that me catch come phone. Me share the phone that. Please. A fiaman ko nya daji gina woni mene nanam yenya ne PF studio e fia na de oba so no oba papa bi metumi twam asa be hwa mu sam se la ka chi ade me wono de na ye we are sibu bad ade meme cry nya obi oka bi a kire
am na dwuma meja ahye wo
no ane de wo ye de a unya me no be kɔ ne pepepe
meja ahye wo
unya de because unim me ya a man Timin country member say one de wafa ho the bribia da member catchere ma very painful man Timin country member oh na de wafa ho ankasa na de ho efe na de ompa bo hye widi
o say a man no
omonka member hwehwe animu ne ye pa bibia ye nti no bribia da na nka wankasa me ne afia man kwa na bo a den na oba so no oba papa bi na de wa ho sesi akwa ni
asemi esi off air I think that's all the radio so.
Na high drone air.
No, Kwabena.
High drone air.
Kwabena.
High drone air.
No see boy ya, wa mo kai kase.
Who share the pass on kwana no?
Me share woni afia.
Ti e na wo.
Na ni pa be mi no kura na.
Ti ye na mo nyina na ho ya fa de na tai. Kasa wo ni nchiremu wo nti ase a na waka. Please.
What do Omanhene you need to man?
I see you for you na me chiam sometimes no. I don't know why I'm want come and be mame. I see you for you na Nancy Rice mu nyina I see you people but won't carry. And then this guy is taking the opportunity to do things. Well, I'm going to Eastern Commerce here be happy man. Because no maybe o ma.
Joshua Tigo Abdullah Awudu Ora Kenansa.
Masa.
Take note. Omanhene Ghana kwose wa kasa
Ghana kwose usuni oban after Sunday usori no ese nyina esesa Ghana kwose awana wo yade a ene yade na duru aba ye na ko you free because ya wona ntie besesa
yare ben asa wana mene na ha minim so yare
onko yi
onko yi den kagu mike ni
Debbie na wa gaza ma but we go na me dey be the guy the committee obi bia be say obi bia say omoji bridi bia tie DwasoNsem on Adom 106.3 I'm saying no countdown to Easter no etaso den
yeah
and then the massive
afeye na wo mu Easter no aye kono
page 16 of the
Ghanaian Times.
Yes. Carnage on roads. MTTD gets tough on highways as NSRA launches Easter Stay Alive campaign. It's launching Easter Stay Alive campaign. Me say akwasi ajima ejina mu bi wo hanum say ya akwasi ajima.
Ya edita. Okay.
Okay kan Nyako Adams Claude na say the National Road Safety Authority yesterday launched a road safety campaign to sanitize the public on road safety during the Easter festivities. In the Easter Stay Alive campaign and other things. You person be ritual, so as I say, Easter Bibiano, your conventions, your picnics, your parties, we can always avoid it. Say, yes, say,
intimate fashion bronson, say a drew hunty, a bay for Pemujano.
We can always avoid it. Because I think TBN there because any part of Dona Pebre or one more join me, CJ Sempamia Coco. Mo amoko Easter conventions outdoor, mo amoko picnics outdoor, mo amoko domestic, mo construction. Ewo miamia hodo Ghana hanyina no. De ehia kese panso betimi akwaba. Anopo aso robompa wa check o tire, wa check o oil, wa show wiper show bibia. De aka ahwe yi a OTS kwan so. Wa oba, wa o san obi ho, wa yo overtaking, wa ni nyina ya hwe yi misre. Yentimi nko eya wada fiada memenda ne kwasiada na yesa ekomnya wa yekono yentimi nko jojo kama na bientim ko na mesre moto fo no so nya careful moto fo no so nya careful pragia fo enye careful ana mo amobedi aduro so no mesre mo enya afi na wadi aduro ma ohwehwe anim aba because already ni abo kokko se onom sa enka hye so ka hyen a menom sa asodin ti ena hwehwe anim nti ni memasem ti no o de also owi bi kra na wo wani da ho o de owi bi no de o de owi bi
obaji wani so
mesre bebre
obaji wani so
nti we no kasa tenti en toponko e free year education on road safety measures no enye nasem mesre na afi ni kra no ebesi anope de menti se insukase etoy man from akase boss no edi ewu ye gi adi se ye betutu nyoma yi yesu ni eban efia eyegu new town no se camera se copy efia eyegu new town pa minim ada
enye fikitwa
so atase ana nso tobia na from e body dia yes driver for teacher se ahwe ye hia because ye homa no etiti ani na enioma nso chance nso wa toto ekwam na ofa achimota for so a enua dodo na bubu agukwam wonum nti mesre se baby edu no yenya hweye kakra bi na afi wi nti yanko Easter mra no obi atapo no obi ekokama na bia nam ne kwa so pepepe me de besia na menji brepi o behwe me watch me mo ade phone se metima to watch ne so dia ma
ba ko na se katie
ba ko na katie me mo ade phone
Omanhene Kwabena Asante ebia ene beye de twatwo kra me no mienu sa segment yi ye betena so
DBS fadaroma ye beba dibia DBS Omadaro beba dibia so fi se o ye bema catch him say DBS for diema
ya da o mase
na umuna gio o sire gio ye de ma o je ye do was na de pa me fi